Hey my friends, my name's Elaine from Elaine's Crafty Corner, and today I'm going to do some blending. I probably might have used this product before, but because I'm doing a tutorial to go with it, I thought I'll give it another shot and see how that goes and see how it improves. So today I'm going to be using called Beauty. It hasn't gone out of stock yet, but I'll leave a description in the box below so you can make a purchase of that yourself, and I'll also let you know what. So we're going to mark a V because there's notches on your thing, and once you've got it, the V there, I would say mark on your paper as well if you want more reassurance. But there's a V, and once you've got that V there, you can actually, everyone, you should get it right the first time. So now as much as I've got it on there, I still want to put a little bit of tape on it just to hold it in position for me. But if you're more experienced than me, or if you can do it without the tape, that's fine, you can do that. But I'm just going to put a little bit of tape here just for a little reassurance. You can have tear and tape, you can use any kind of tape just to keep it, hold it in position. So my first colour is going to be Fresh Freezer. That's what I'm going to use for my #1 glue. So we get our Fresh Freezer, we get our blending brush, give it a nice bit of so just as you turn this on, we go over. Don't be afraid with the colour, we just go over, and that's our first layer. We've got the colour down. Oh, it looks all right so far. I'm hoping you can see that clearly. And now that's colour #1. Colour #2, it's Petunia Pop. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the same brush. As you can see, it's a lot darker, so I can do that. So we take off #1 now. As you can see, that's what #1 looks like. And we get #2. So we go back to the V. So once we got it to the V, we know we're in the right position in the V. I put a little bit of tape, as I said, if you want it just a bit secure, everything's lined up in the V. And we go with our Petunia. It's a lot darker, so we're going to have a bit more highlighted here. It looks gorgeous. As I said, it doesn't need much with the blending, so we've done #2. And look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? I say everything's wonderful. Don't worry. Then we go with our next colour we're going to use is, we're going to get sheet #3, and we'll put sheet #3 in, put it up by the V, line everything up by the V, oh, put a little bit of tape, and the next colour we're going to use is Berry Burst, which is even more deeper colour. So as I said, I'm not going to change the brush. I'm just going to put that colour onto my brush because it's all from the same family. Pop that on, and then we're going to go again. As I said, make sure everything's lined up, and then we go again with the colour. There's less holes in this one. I will tell you that it's so easy. As you can see, we're building up the colour now. It looks really lovely. That looks very lovely. You could leave it like that if you wanted to, but we're not. We're going with our next one. Our next one is #4. We put on the V, we line it up. Looks wonderful. Get a little bit of tape. Our next colour is Lemon Lime Twist. So I've got my other brush. We do this again. If you're not sure about the colour, if it's perfectly okay. So we juice up our little blending brush again. And again, this is quick colouring. Doesn't take long. Looks gorgeous. And our last colour, which is sheet #5, is Granite Apple Green. This is #5. Go to the V, make sure everything's lined up. You can't go wrong with these layer sheets. It's definitely a process. It's lovely and it's quick and it's easy. So we line everything up, we pop on the colour, and we just go. That's what I said. We just pop on the colour. Oop, don't want to miss it. And there it is. All completed. Your colouring is done. So this is my card front. This is what it looks like, your finished product. It's turned out beautiful. So now we're going to complete the card. By the way, These are easily washed with just a bit of soap and water. They'll come off instantly, so not to worry about the colouring on that. So we're going to build our card now. It would help if I glue what's coming out of here. I think that's a bit too much glue. It's okay. One thing about using glue is that you can pick it up to make sure you've got it right in terms of how you center things. Never always that great at it. And then this is our card base. Make sure you've got the card going in the right direction. So looks really nice. So that's our card base. Now we need some kind of sentiment. I haven't got nothing ready, so my favorite stamp set. Let's do a happy birthday. Let's use the petunia. Please, petunia. I don't like that. Ooh, that's much better. Let's put some dimensions on the back, and that's your finished card. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the card. Is there anything you want to learn new? But this is the finished product. And once you've got all the elements all together, it doesn't take that long to actually put together. So thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love for you to come back and subscribe, because I know a lot of you do watch my videos. I know I'm getting slowly back into the game. I have another video, but it took me so long to try and sort it out because my computer crashed. Oh my gosh, so that video didn't go out, but it will come. And that's me using the Happy Haven paper, which I did promise to say that I'm using up my stash. But I thought today, I just wanted to get a quick video out there today to you, because I didn't want to lose track of that. Anyone that who's interested in Lent, that's what I'm handing everything over to God, in which direction I should be going in crafting. But here I am, turning up, because that's what you have to do if you want to be consistent. But thank you for your support. Thank you for the new subscribers as well. You guys are amazing. But as I said, everything will be in the link below. If you want to subscribe, and if you want to join my team, as I said, the positioner machine, it's amazing. That's the first time I actually used it. But if you want me to have more engagement with that, just let me leave a comment below. And what can I say? Thank you again. You've been amazing. Thank you for watching to the end. Again, this is all a new thing. Building confidence. My journey in crafting. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see more of. It'd be nice if you leave a comment. Like my channel as well. It's about what you want to hear from my Christian journey, as well as my crafting journey. It's all combined, trust me. It's all combined. That's a story for another time. Bye for now, my crafty friends.